Hi all, myself Mrs. Smita Dennis, Associate Professor, HOD in OBG Nursing, Athena Group of Institutions. Today I would like to talk about topic high risk pregnancy. A high risk pregnancy is one in which the mother, baby or both have an increased chance of developing health complications during pregnancy, labor or after the delivery. So next it will go for some factors are there for high risk pregnancies. It's like some factors. First one, it will go for the maternal age, either 18 years below or above 35 years. Second, it will go for the high blood pressure or with diabetes. Third, it will go for the severe anemia cases. Next, fourth one, multiple pregnancy, maybe twins or more than that. Then some heart diseases, kidney diseases or chronic some illness is there, means the mother is into the high risk pregnancy. So we will deal with the management, how we can get through the high risk pregnancy, with what all things we can do. So especially women with high risk pregnancies require closer monitoring through regular antenatal checkups, their investigations and appropriate treatment. So what we have to do over here is early identification and management can help reduce the complications and improve outcomes for both mother and baby will be better if we are going for the proper management. So how we can manage them? So by giving the health education, what all things they have to do in the daily activities, how the complications will be coming, we have to teach them through the health education. Then we have to tell them regarding the proper nutrition, what all foods they can take, what all things they have to avoid. Then adequate rest and timely medical care play an important role in ensuring a safe pregnancy. So in conclusion, high risk pregnancies does not always mean a poor outcomes. So if we are giving a proper care and regular follow up, many women can have a healthy pregnancy and they can deliver a healthy babies. So we have dealt with the topic high risk pregnancies and what is that, who all are into these factors, who will be into this high risk group. So we told what is that high risk pregnancies, especially with the who all will be there into it and what are the factors, especially here given some factors with the maternal age, some severe anemia, high blood pressure and diabetes. If the mother is having any illness, heart disease, any kidney disease, anything, so they are into the high risk group pregnancy. But if we are giving them a proper care through the medical attention by giving adequate antenatal visit, their checkup, investigation, we can reduce the high risk pregnancies. I hope you guys understood about the topic high risk pregnancies, and admissions are open in Athena for the year 26-27. Thank you.